Welcome to Technology in the Future, where we explore the latest innovations shaping the world of technology. Today, we delve into the exciting realm of drone technology, as leaked images hint at the upcoming DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Industry insiders Jasper and Igor Bogdanov have shared tantalizing glimpses of this revolutionary drone, showcasing a radical redesign that promises to redefine the drone landscape. A revolutionary redesign, key features and innovations. The leaked photo reveals a heavily camouflaged prototype, but its distinctive features are unmistakable. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro boasts a compact body, a 90-degree upward tilting gimbal, and a streamlined aerodynamic design, setting it apart from its predecessors. Positioned alongside high-end cameras like the Sony a7 IV and the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, this drone promises to deliver unparalleled performance, versatility, and creative possibilities. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro's 90-degree upward gimbal tilt is a groundbreaking innovation that promises to unleash unprecedented creative potential. This feature enables photographers and videographers to capture breathtaking aerial shots from previously impossible angles, peer beneath structures, and explore hidden corners of the world. By providing unparalleled flexibility and versatility, this technological marvel is poised to revolutionize the way we document and share our experiences. Advanced camera system, enhanced image quality, and AI-powered features. Although specific details about the camera system remain under wraps, rumors suggest a larger sensor, potentially from Sony's esteemed IMX series, and continued collaboration with Hasselblad. This could result in superior low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and advanced AI-powered features like autofocus and scene recognition, further elevating the DJI Mavic 4 Pro's creative possibilities. Recent FCC filings have unveiled two new DJI models, codenamed JV31 and JV32, equipped with high-capacity 99.5 Wh batteries. These powerhouses are poised to significantly extend flight times, potentially surpassing the 46 minutes offered by the Mavic 3 series. This enhancement will enable longer, uninterrupted aerial adventures, redefining the boundaries of flight and creative possibilities. Strategic leaks or mere coincidence? The timing of these leaks has sparked speculation about DJI's marketing strategy. While some believe the leaks are accidental, others think they are part of a carefully orchestrated plan to build anticipation and generate buzz. DJI's history of strategic information releases, combined with rumors of upcoming products like the DJI Inspire 3 and RS4 Mini, suggests a coordinated effort to maintain momentum and excitement. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro has established a high standard with its impressive 20-megapixel Hasselblad camera and telephoto lens. To truly surpass its predecessor, the Mavic 4 Pro must offer more than incremental upgrades. The rumored 90-degree gimbal tilt, advanced AI capabilities, and extended flight times could be the pivotal features that revolutionize the drone industry. Anticipated release date and DJI's commitment to innovation. Speculation surrounding the Mavic 4 Pro's release date is ongoing, with predictions ranging from late 2024 to early 2025. Considering DJI's recent product launches, including the DJI Mini 3 Pro and Osmo Action 5, it's evident that the company prioritizes innovation and rapid product cycles, ensuring that users have access to the latest technological advancements. The leaked information surrounding the DJI Mavic 4 Pro has sparked intense speculation and anticipation within the drone community. Regardless of whether these leaks are authentic or a strategic marketing maneuver, one fact remains clear. The Mavic 4 Pro has the potential to revolutionize the drone landscape. Revolutionary features and endless possibilities. The rumored features of the Mavic 4 Pro, including the innovative 90-degree gimbal tilt, advanced camera system, and extended flight times, could make it a game-changing device for both professional and hobbyist drone enthusiasts. These enhancements could unlock new creative possibilities, enabling users to capture breathtaking aerial footage and images with unprecedented ease and precision.